The Bentley Continental GT 2025 is a stunning fusion of elegance and power, redefining luxury in the automotive world. Under the hood, it boasts a formidable W12 engine, delivering an exhilarating 0 to 60 in just 3.6 seconds. But it's not just about speed, the craftsmanship is unparalleled. Each interior detail is meticulously designed, featuring hand-stitched leather and exquisite wood veneers that exude sophistication. The advanced tech seamlessly integrates with the classic Bentley charm, offering a state-of-the-art infotainment system while maintaining a driver-focused experience. With its sleek silhouette and bold grille, the Continental GT commands attention on any road. This isn't just a car, it's a statement of style and performance, embodying the spirit of modern luxury. The Bentley signature design is a masterpiece of automotive artistry. Just look at the radiator grille, it's not just a functional element, it's a bold statement of luxury and power. Each curve and contour is meticulously crafted, reflecting the brand's commitment to excellence. Now, the headlights, these aren't just lights, they're jewels that illuminate the road ahead with elegance. Their distinctive shape enhances the car's character, making it instantly recognizable, even in the dark. And then there's the iconic Bentley logo, a symbol of prestige and heritage. Those wings represent freedom and speed, embodying the spirit of every journey taken in a Bentley. Each detail tells a story of craftsmanship and passion, making every model not just a car, but a work of art on wheels. Step inside a realm where luxury meets craftsmanship. The moment you settle into these plush leather seats, you're enveloped in comfort that whispers sophistication. Each stitch tells a story of meticulous attention to detail, designed for those who appreciate the finer things in life. As your eyes wander, the handcrafted wood inserts catch the light, showcasing the natural beauty of premium materials. The rich textures and warm tones create an inviting atmosphere, making every journey feel like a first-class experience. This isn't just an interior, it's a sanctuary of elegance and innovation. Every element, from the ambient lighting to the state-of-the-art technology, is curated to elevate your senses. Here, luxury isn't just seen, it's felt, making every drive a celebration of style and comfort. Imagine stepping into a vehicle where everything feels intuitive. The digital instrument cluster lights up, presenting all your vital information at a glance: speed, navigation, and even fuel efficiency, all customizable to suit your preferences. No more squinting at dials, it's all right there in stunning clarity. Now, let's talk about the gesture control system. With just a wave of your hand, you can adjust the volume, change tracks, or even answer calls without taking your eyes off the road. It's like magic, making every drive smoother and more connected. And then there's the built-in voice assistant, your personal co-pilot. Just say the word, and it can navigate, play your favorite playlist, or provide real-time traffic updates. It's not just about convenience, it's about creating a seamless driving experience that keeps you focused and in control. This is the future of driving: smart, modern, and incredibly engaging. The W12 engine, a marvel of engineering, combines power and precision in a compact design. With its unique configuration, it delivers an exhilarating 600 horsepower, propelling vehicles from 0 to 60 in mere seconds. The symphony of its 12 cylinders firing in harmony creates a sound that's music to any car enthusiast's ears. As I accelerate, the torque surges, pushing me back into the seat, a visceral reminder of the raw power beneath the hood. The dynamic driving footage captures every twist and turn, showcasing the engine's responsiveness and agility. This isn't just about speed, it's about the thrill of the drive, the connection between man and machine. The W12 isn't just an engine, it's a statement of performance, blending luxury with adrenaline. Each rev is a promise of what's possible, a testament to the relentless pursuit of automotive excellence. Driving at night can feel like a different world. The darkness can be daunting, but with active driver assistance systems, I feel a newfound sense of safety and comfort. Imagine cruising down a winding road, the headlights illuminating the path ahead, while features like lane keeping assist gently guide me back if I drift. Adaptive cruise control adjusts my speed, maintaining a safe distance from the car in front, even in the unpredictable ebb and flow of nighttime traffic. And let's not forget about night vision technology. It's like having a superpower, revealing pedestrians and animals that would otherwise blend into the shadows. These systems work seamlessly, allowing me to focus on the drive, reducing fatigue and enhancing my awareness. It's about enjoying the journey, feeling secure, and embracing the thrill of the open road, even when the sun goes down.